Yo, what's good? I'm gonna give it a couple minutes here. Let people join up. Yo. Yeah, Christian. I don't think we can. Eileen, thank you. Thank you. Alex, what's up? All right. Um, can you guys hear me all right? Also, can you guys hear the mower outside? If so, try your best to ignore the mower. That's what I'm doing as well. All right, perfect, perfect. We'll get this started then. This could be super quick. This could take a minute. I'm not sure yet. We will see though. I'm just gonna start off at the top of my watch list, which is Apple. Just going in alphabetical order here. They had earnings. When did they have earnings? Or no? Yeah, they had earnings today after market. So I have not checked this out yet. Um, get down here to the 1 hour. Oh wow. Yeah. So honestly, there's not a whole lot on here that I like. Uh, yeah, no, I don't like anything on Apple. So we'll go down to Airbnb was actually one that I had written down today in my own like personal plan. Um, I didn't put it anywhere though because a Airbnb rarely ever has volume on the contracts, which that was also the case this morning. Kind of upsetting though because this 118 flat bottom here looks super nice. Jack, what's up? Curious, do you chart ES and NQ or SPY and QQQ? Thank you, I appreciate that. To be honest with you, I usually don't chart ES or NQ just because I feel like the only thing that really matters with that, or the only thing that matters to me with ES and NQ is what's happening while I'm in a trade. Or, I mean, if there's any clearly obvious key levels, but the majority of the time, and you know this, but the majority of the time, the stocks that we're playing are stronger or weaker than the market, um, respectively, obviously. But so it shouldn't even influence it a whole lot. But no, I don't usually chart ES and NQ. Yeah, I actually really liked this Airbnb flat bottom. I think we broke like first minute though. Maybe, yeah, we broke first minute. There was no contract volume, which is kind of annoying, but it's all right. Um, there's not a whole lot else I like on that though. Check AMD. AMD went crazy today. Jeez. We were looking at 81 to the downside. uh, yeah. Oh, that's crazy. I didn't even look at that all day. CM, yes, I watch NQ and ES while I'm in a trade. I pay attention to them both. Hmm. I don't know. I don't really like AMD to the upside. I mean, you could kind of get away with saying we have a flat top at like 92-ish. I don't really like that though. That 81 to the downside didn't look bad, but I think personally for me, I think that trade's kind of ruined at this point. Are the arrows Nor's algorithm? Yeah. Yes, they are. We'll go on to Amazon here. Amazon, just from a quick glance at the 4 hour, there's not a whole lot that I like. I don't really like it to the upside. And the downside's pretty far away. First thing I'd be looking at to the downside is $100.76 to the downside. Other than that, I don't really like anything here. Go to BA. BA was a banger today. This is 60% trade for me. I do feel bad though because we kind of talked Nora out of out of playing it, but actually I didn't talk anybody out of anything. But yeah, played the 200 break to the downside. That was super clean. I don't know that there's a whole lot else that I like on BA. I guess 193. Wow. Yeah. 193.35. I'm pretty sure is might be a gap on the daily. No, close. 192.41 would be the gap. I like that though. Low there is one, yeah, 192.41. We're not really close to it right now, but that's just something to mark up for later point in time. Yeah, that actually looks really good though. We got a gap from 191.85-ish to 190.59. That's going to be nice when that sets up, but as of right now, I don't really like anything else on BA. Baba, we'll see here. Yeah, that just looks messy to me. Hmm. Yeah, I don't really like anything on Baba. I've been pretty much staying away. I've honestly been staying away from trading all of the stocks that I usually trade for the past couple weeks, just because the market's been not choppy, not terribly choppy to the point where you can't trade anything, but just the follow through on a lot of these trades isn't there. So I've just been focusing on SPY, but yeah, there's nothing worth me messing with on a Friday on Baba. Baidu. This stock is another one of those that rarely ever has volume, but even then, yeah, there's not. I don't really like that. Yeah, no, nothing on Baidu. We might have nothing too, which is a very high possibility. We'll still be able to capitalize on something though, you know, during the day if it sets up. But as of right now, I'm seeing no A plus setups. Nothing on cost. Disney, maybe the 96.39 level. That's a possibility. By the time it gets back down there, it's going to be doing like an H pattern, or a bear flag, whatever you want to call it. That could be a possibility if there's volume on the contracts. I'll go ahead and mark this. When does it have earnings? Earnings on, yeah, earnings on Wednesday of next week, so contracts shouldn't be inflated because of that. Yeah, I don't mind Disney. I'll mark that. Come back to it later. The way I like to do this is basically just go through, find what looks like a good setup, like quickly on a larger time frame, and then all the ones that I can quickly see or not see, then I can come back and actually like go down the time frames and write down everything specific about the setup. I haven't even looked at this stock in forever. Yeah, nothing on there. Definitely nothing on here. Hmm. Nothing on FedEx. See about Google. Nothing worth touching on a Friday for me on Google. And if you guys have any stocks that you want me to look at, if I'm not covering them already, then you should definitely let me know. Oh, Meta. Oh, I kind of like this actually. This support here. Low 231.52. Let's see here. I actually like this. Hmm. Yeah, I like that 233 level. If we take that out, we could definitely flush. That's actually looks super clean. All right. I have that marked already. Moderna. Let's see, nothing there. Microsoft. Whoa. What's going on here? Oh, we've got a gap that closes at 309.87. What have we been hovering around? 309.18. Yeah. Netflix. Let's look at that. Um, I'm not touching anything on Netflix until we are out of this range right here. Probably all the way up to 340, to be honest with you. I'm not touching anything until we're out of this range. Um, let's see, Nvidia. At first glance, I don't think there's anything for me on Nvidia. Yeah. Not until we get down to like 263-ish. Yeah, nothing there. We'll take a look at QQQ here. I mean, yep, we're pretty much just still in the same range as today. So, uh, yeah. All right. We will. Shop is one that went crazy today as well. Gotta go out to like the 3 year, I'm pretty sure, to find. Yeah. 60 could be a crazy play, depending on the momentum we get. That's pretty easy to chart out though. I mean, I'd just be interested in that high into the 60 break. So I'll mark that. Go to Tesla. Tesla is still doing its thing here in this range. I don't think we've touched this since, well, I take that back. I don't think we've had a like really clean play on this since the beginning of this range, which is the 20th of last month. Yeah. Once we break out of that range, though, that's going to be crazy. I'm not really interested until 166, though. Or, I honestly, I don't really like the downside that much on this either. So, I'm not really interested until 166 or like 150, 151, around there. Yeah. So, I think that is all I really have here. I don't know why I have Apple marked up here. Let's see. Unmark that. AMD, unmarking that. Disney. Alright, we will take a closer look at Disney here. So I'd be looking at that 96.39 level. I'm just going down the time frames here to see if we have any trends that would be affecting the trade. So the 15-minute gives us room to 95.77. The 5-minute trend is kind of invalid at this point. 30-minute gives us room down to 94.25. I doubt that we would see that, but and then the 4-hour trend gives us room to 95.64. So I will go ahead and write down here. Actually, I'll just go to the 15-minute. I'm going to go ahead and write down here. There we go. All right. Disney. Um, 96, 61, or 96.39, depending on the weakness and momentum that we have into that level. Looking to take this to 96. We have room to 95.74. And then on the 4-hour, we have 95.64. 95.64. And then yeah, 94.25, but that's pretty far away. Christian, I agree. I've traded it a couple times, but it's definitely not a frequent stock. All right, we'll go back up here. We got Meta. This is one that I actually like. I like this a lot. The Disney one is all right. Maybe if it has volume. That's the big kicker there. Meta 232.75. 232.75 into the 232 break. Let's look at the 1 year here. We do have a gap. I mean, that's a massive gap, and that's obviously not going to get filled tomorrow, but my target for this is going to be a little bit interesting. It's not really going to be an exact number. It's going to be more of like momentum below, yeah, momentum below this 231.52 level, depending on how weak we are. We do have room to 230.24 on this 30-minute trend, so yo, Louise or Lewis, what's up? Yeah, so I'm gonna be looking for momentum under 231.52, room to 230.24, then 230. This is my favorite setup out of the two, for sure. And then, is that all? Is that all I had? Did I have more? Oh, shop. It was 135 contracts. H. Alright, shop. This one's pretty easy to write out. I mean, we're going to be looking for a lot of momentum into this 59.82. I'd be looking at 59.82 into the 60 break. So that's pretty easy. And I personally think I'm going to keep this as a really quick trade. So basically going to be selling on whatever momentum we have there. There's not a specific number that I have as a target. We can go out on the 3-year. Let's see. What do we have after 60? The next resistance that we have after 60 is 61.40. So, and if we get a $1.40 push on that, that's gonna be a ridiculous percentage on a Friday. So I guess target is momentum target is momentum or 61.40. I don't know the best way to write that out for you guys to understand it. But basically, I'm just looking for momentum through that 60 break, and if we can get 61.40, that would be awesome. But if not, like I said, once I see momentum start to once I see that momentum is not continuing to pick up, I'm probably just gonna exit my full position there. There's no need to mess around with something like that on a Friday. And even that push, a 20-cent push on this on a Friday should pay. So yeah, I think that is everything. So yeah, that's what I've got for tomorrow right here. Appreciate you guys for showing up. And is there anything that anybody wants me to look at real quick before we're done? If so, now would be the time to send it. All right. All right. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming out. I will see you guys tomorrow.